Today I'm exploring several of the parks on the Sunshine Coast, and I'm on a mission. For today's mission, I'm going to be going as low as I can go. I'm going down into the underbrush, into the micro landscapes, into those little worlds that we rarely see. We're going to look for the life on the forest floor, where I know we will find magical worlds to photograph. The gear I'm taking on this mission: my camera, a wide-angle lens, and a flashlight. Come on, let's go. There's nothing like walking down a forest trail with only your camera and tripod for company. Hey, like if you agree. I'm making a new rule for myself. The minute I get to my destination, the camera has to come out of the pack and go on the tripod. I've already walked past half a dozen really good opportunities just because I didn't want to stop and take my camera out. Remember that. Hey, I've already found my first subject. I found this fabulous little fungi, but what's really interesting me here are these little fronds. You can see that we can look at them from underneath, and we're looking up into the light there. And what I like about this scene is that we have all of that beautiful light in the background. I'm gonna see if I can shoot this for bokeh. One of the best things about photography in a rainforest, it doesn't matter what time of day it is. I'm out here shooting in broad daylight. The canopy alters the light and softens it, so you can come in here any time of day. Okay, I have found something really cool here. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with it yet. I think we'll take a couple of minutes to think about this. Wow, that is so awesome. I found this really cool little mushroom. It's got a hole in it, and it's got all of this moss hanging down, kind of backing it. So what I'm gonna do with this shot is I'm gonna put a light in behind it so that it will come up through the hole in the little mushroom and backlight all of this neat moss. My first shot is going to be with the light behind it. Let's see, I'm just going to adjust my phone so you can get more of an idea of what that looks like with low light. So you can start and get the idea. My second shot is going to be without any light, and I'm going to take a third shot using some red light. I found a friend. Getting out and shooting these little tiny scenes, these little magic worlds, they can teach you a whole lot. They have taught me a lot. One lesson that I've gotten out of going out and shooting these little micro landscapes is that it's not all about going out and taking a picture of something. It's about going out and making an image. And there really is a difference. Do you agree? I have found this fabulous little grouping of mushrooms right here. And what I'm liking about this and what I'm going to do with this photo is I'm going to utilize the backlighting that's happening here and get the mushrooms in focus and have a background full of beautiful bokeh. I hope today's video inspires and encourages you to get out into nature, to get out and walk your local trails, to stop for a moment, look around, and appreciate the beauty that's around you. Not just what you see at eye level, but look a little lower. Look for that magical world under the ferns. A huge thank you to everyone who has subscribed to my channel. And a huge thank you to everyone who watches my videos. You have no idea what it means to me when you let me share a little bit of my world with you.